So the other day we came in our trailer, opened up one of the cabinet drawers, and of course the hinges just yanked right out. So the screws were all stripped out. I'm going to show you really quickly how to fix this and kind of best practice and the ways that you can go around this. So what I like to do first thing, so you have your hole here, and you can do this with the cabinet pulled off. It doesn't have to be mounted up like mine is right now. And basically what you want to do is you want to take a toothpick. You take a toothpick and you want to wedge it up in there. I like to use a little bit of glue, give it a little bit of extra security. So if I take my glue, get a little dab here. Basically, any wood glue works. I like to use Type Bond 3. I found that it's the best wood glue. So I'll just take a teeny little bit there, put it on the end, and then I'm going to come up right here, shove it in the hole, kind of work it around, shove it as deep as I can, and then I'm going to break the head off. Okay, once you have that broken off, and like I said, you don't have to have the glue. I think it just creates more of a permanent fix. Gives you more life out of these, especially where trailers are bumping up and down the road all the time. So now if you look in real close, you can see I'm just sitting on the side of my toothpick. So what's going to happen is I'm going to start threading in, and I'll start threading right into the toothpick, and the toothpick will push up against the existing wood. And so when I got to the end before, my screw wouldn't tighten in all the way. See, I'm snug. I'm very tight right there, but it wouldn't tighten it in. It would just keep spinning and spinning and spinning and spinning, and so it was stripped. So that's one way to quickly fix it. If this video was helpful to you, please like and subscribe.